Go look at the kitty. What do you think?
Hi, kitty cat.
Hi, kitty cat. What's kitty cat doing? No.
Should we take him home with us?
No.
No.
You don't want the cat?
How about this one?
Look at her.
Okay.
Isn't she cute? She looks all nuts.
What's that?
It's a kitty cat.
Hey. What's a kitty cat?
It's so funny.
Hi, Puppy Buddy. Hi, hi, hi.
Are you saying hi to the kitty?
Hi, big kitty.
Hi, big kitty.
Hi.
Take it home. Sure. What's the difference? It's just one more cat. Should we take a cat home?
No.
Why not?
She's here.
Stay here. Do you think Murphy would like the cat? Does Daddy want a cat? Do you want a cat?